Hey everyone, good to see you. Welcome to week 4 of our distance learning. Um, we're still doing it, still doing all the hard things. Please remember to log in through the BPS login page. Here's the bit.ly if you need it. That's where you can log in to get credit. Here's all the information you need to get in touch with me, my email, my Remind app, my Google Classroom, my Google Voice, all that stuff. And then also if you need help from a teacher, you can fill out this form and the teacher will reach out to you. All right, so it's the week of the 20th through the 24th. I have a message for you that I want you to read. And then I have some assignments. I have 3 assignments, actually only 2, for this week. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to make a rough draft of your topic. There's directions at the top of that page. Then I want you to read the Steph Curry and Dr. Fauci article. Oh, looks like I spelled Dr. Fauci wrong. Better fix that. And then I want you to do a Flipgrid, okay? So the assignments are due next Sunday at 5 p.m., but don't wait till the last minute. Get them done as soon as you can. It should only take you about 20 minutes to do all 3 of these things, okay? If you need help with a specific class, please call me. Please let me know or fill out this form and we can help you. I miss you. We'll talk soon.